Do you want to earn free $25? Then this update is for you. So first of all, the requirement for this update is that you need to have $53 and it will be withdrawn 53 USDT in any exchange of your choice. So first of all, you are going to go ahead to Play Store and you search for TunnelBear VPN. As you can see, this is the VPN, you just install it. Then you will now search for the application called Kraken. Search for Kraken, then click on install. Wait for both of them to install. After they are done installing, then you need to create an account with TunnelBear VPN. Okay, you just click on create an account. Then you just put in your email, your password, create your account, to send you a verification mail, do that, and then you watch it. Once you are done with the creation of the TunnelBear account, you click here, move it up. Now they are now going to search for Nigeria. If you are in Nigeria, because I think it's for everyone. Okay, so Nigeria. Then this is Nigeria. Then you see this toggle bar. You click on it so that you connect it to Nigeria. Click on OK. Alright, so once you are done with the TunnelBear VPN, we are now going to click on Kraken. Once it has opened, then we are now going to click on create account. Then once you are here, you are just going to click on add invite code. Go to the description box and copy the invite code in the description box. I repeat, that invite code is not my invite code, it's a promotional invite code. Without using it, you will not get the $25. You then paste the code where they say enter code, then you now apply the code. Then it will show you something like this. Your code has been applied and you're on the track to earn $25. Now after that, you're just going to put in your email and click on continue. Once you have put in click on continue and then you have put in the OTP sent to your mail, then you need to generate a password. When you generate the password, you click on continue. Alright, so once you are here, you are just going to click on country, then you put in Nigeria if you are in Nigeria, or put in your country of residence. Then you click on continue. Alright, so once you are here, you just put in your number and click on continue. Alright, then you have to put in your full legal name. You put in the name that is attached to your national ID, your passport. If you are Nigerian, any country, you are just putting your full name, that's your first name and your last name. Now you need to put in your date of birth. So put in your date of birth and click on continue. Then you put in your address, city, postal code. Now for all these details, you can just click on students, click on continue. And to require you now, if there's no additional inputs to verify your details. So but before that, needs to complete your investment. So click on continue. Just click on from order, just from order, then less than 1,000, and then less than fewer than 10. Then you just want to invest or trade character. Just pick anything, you don't really need to do all this. But now you just put your main source of income is order. You know, as you accent. Then just formal, I'll click on continue. Now you need to verify your ID. So let me explain the things you can use. For your national ID, you can use NINSIP. No, don't use NINSIP, sorry. Use Premium NIN. If you use NINSIP, it will be pending and later gets rejected because NINSIP is not allowed. You are supposed to use your Premium NIN card, and also you can use national ID. You can use passport to verify. Just click on continue to verify. Now click on continue because Nigeria is there. Just click on continue. Now you just upload your national ID and complete the remaining. Then after national ID, you need to do face authentication. So you do face authentication and continue. After you are done with that, you are now going to go ahead to deposit. Okay, so for you to deposit, you click on portfolio. Ensure you are connected to your wallet. Click on portfolio. Once you are at portfolio, click on transfer. Then click on deposit. Now when deposit, you are going to click on deposit crypto. Click on crypto. Okay, so once you are crypto, you click on Tether USD. Now you scroll down and look for APTOS. So now you are going to deposit the $53 from any exchange of your choice. You can deposit it from Bitget, Binance, any exchange of your choice. You deposit, so you can understand. Then you don't use this address here. Don't use that. I'm going to figure out this. But don't use the address, so just get your own address and use it, okay? You get your own address and you can click on copy address. Bitget to transfer it. So you click on assets. You're going to transfer this USD FABRIZIOUSD. Now you're going to click on withdraw, okay? Now you can click on chain withdrawal. Now when you are transferring, please ensure that everything is okay. You are sending Tether USDT. So when it says USDT, I want to select a network. So you click on network. Ensure that you chose APTOS, okay? You chose APTOS, okay? Because if you confirm it from the application, the address you copied was APTOS address. So use that address. Don't select another different one. Use APTOS. So you now click on all. Then the address, you just paste the address here. Then just give it a moment. Click on withdraw. Then just click on confirm. Then you just complete the security verifications there. Once it has been deposited, it will show your portfolio value to show the money. So then you just click on trade. Then you click on we are going to click on buy. Now we are going to buy Notcoin because it's not shippable. Okay. Now I'm not going to search for Notcoin. See, showed you Notcoin. Click on it. Then you just type everything. As you can see, this is it. Now you just click on the go button. Now you click on confirm. Alright, as you can see, I've got it. Just click on the export button. Now we are done, successfully done with the $25 update. I'll show you guys how you can confirm if you got the $25, okay? Alright, now if you did it very well, you see this kind of thing. Then you receive an email, something like this. That means you have gotten $25. It will be sent to your account within it will be sent every fortnight or Friday. So that means if you did it now, as I posted you will get yours in next week. You get yours next week Friday. Once you received that notification, then you are going to go back to the Kraken application. Now you want to remove the money in the account. Get $50 because don't spend my deep bonus, so you want to remove it. So now we are not going to convert it back. I'm not going to convert it back to US. We are going to transfer it like that to the exchange that you want to sell to. You can just click on withdraw, select Notcoin. Then it is ensure that the network is Ton network you are using. Put in the address. You don't need to write any memo or just write anything. I'm not writing my address. Then just nickname, no need for memo. Click on add withdrawal address. Then they have sent you a confirmation, so just click on continue. Then you just have to put in, you just type it. Okay. Now you need to verify that mail, so you can go out, click on continue. Now you see where they will ask you to confirm your withdrawal address. Just click on confirm address. Then you click on confirm. As you can see, the withdrawal administrator. So you to drop in the address that you copied. Ensure that everything is correct, because if not, you have lost the account. Okay, so ensure that everything is correct. You give it a moment while the withdrawal is processing, and it will be sent to your Notcoin address. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like to see more videos like this, please hit on the like button, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on the notification bell to get notified when I post new contents like this. We do have a WhatsApp group in the description box where you can send message to any of the admins if you have any issue. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.